BMC is adding AI to their Automated Mainframe Intelligence platform. That's right, AI on the mainframe. This is a strategic move designed to enhance mainframe software development and simplify operations. It means better documentation, the ability to simplify complex code analysis, and more. You may think that mainframes are dated technology, but as we've seen recently, so much of our everyday lives are run on mainframes, and that's really a good thing because it protects us from some of the challenges, let's say, that open systems can have due to things like malware and cyber attacks. The real expert in this area is my colleague, Futurum Group, Stephen Dickens. So I want to turn this over to Stephen and see what he has to say about BMC's AI in their automated mainframe intelligence.
Well, too kind as always, Steve. I don't know whether I'm the expert, but I wouldn't agree with the setup about dated technology as anybody knows me, but diving straight in here. First thing to say, this is the first statement of direction that BMC have done. So normally their mode is to do GA announcements, which they do on a quarterly basis typically. So I think being off cycle and being a strategic sort of announcement that this is going to be coming later on in the year is the first point of note. So why are they doing that? I think it's crucial that they are seen to continue to innovate and be seen to be bringing this value. They're probably getting asked questions by their clients, what are you doing? So that's the first piece. Then to drill down, I think there's kind of two lenses to this for me. There's the operational piece. You talked about documentation. These are long-standing platforms. There's a lot of material that BMC and others have curated for how to use and administer these platforms. So I think the first piece is this is a way to democratize that knowledge and make it easier for newer, less skilled system programmers and system administrators to get up to speed. That's good. We're starting to see the demographics change from mainframe system programmers. So I think this is good from that lens. The other piece is from a code assistant point of view. BMC does a great job with its DevX platform, probably market leading. I'm going to annoy a couple of people out there when I say that, but they're doing a really good job with the developer experience. So the ability to be able to interpret code, understand code, again, democratizing some of that for particular COBOL developers and PL1 developers and some of the other mainframe code languages, super crucial. So I think good statement of direction from BMC, expecting more to drop later on in the year as they get closer to GA. I could probably guess when it's going to be. They've got a big event coming this fall. They've not told me that, but it wouldn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that there's going to be something around their Connect event. So I think I'd be looking out for that. But lots coming, really good to see. Need to see some demos. Probably going to see those in a couple of weeks' time to really get some detail. But really impressed with what BMC are doing. John McKenney, as a GM of this business, is doing a great job. I spent some time with him a few months back understanding this strategy. Team's on the right path. Good to see them being bold and being declarative about their strategic direction and looking forward to when the product drops later on in the year.
Well, thanks a lot, Stephen. It's really great to have you joining us here on The Rundown.